Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Sheet Metal lesson. Add a new sketch in the front plane. Draw the profile and dimension as indicated. From the Sheet Metal tab, select the Base Flange command. Enter the sheet metal parameters and options indicated. And click OK. Select the Edge Flange command. Select the edge indicated. Define its length and select the remaining edges. Set the flange distance and settings and click OK. After inspecting the sheet metal corners, edit the edge flange feature, activate the trim side bends options and click OK. From the corners command, select a closed corner. Select the two faces indicated. Set the corner options and click OK. Change to a right view and add a sketch in the right face. Draw a line and dimension as shown. From the Sheet Metal tab, click on Sketched Bend. Select the face below the sketch line, enter the bends options and click OK. Rotate the model. Click on the Hem command. Select the edge indicated. Set the hem parameters. And click OK. Click on the Edge Flange command. Select the edge, set the direction, add the remaining edges, and set the flange parameters. Select the middle edge in the list and click on Edit Flange Profile. Drag the sketch lines and dimension as indicated. Select Back and click OK to finish. Change to a back view. Add a sketch in the back face. Draw a profile and dimension as indicated. Make an extruded cut using the option Link to Thickness and click OK. Open the design library and select the folder Forming Tools Louvers. Drag the louver library onto the box face, flip the direction if needed, and click on Positions tab. Dimension the location of the louver, and click OK to finish. Add a linear pattern. Select the first direction. Set the spacing and number of copies. Select the second direction. Set the spacing and number of copies. Select the louver and click OK. In the Sheet Metal tab, select the Unfold command. Select the fixed face, the bend to unfold, and click OK. Select the unfolded flange, add a new sketch, and draw the profile indicated. Add the necessary geometric relations and dimensions to continue. Make an extruded cut using the option Link to Thickness and click OK. From the Sheet Metal tab, click on the Fold command, add the bends to fold, and click OK. Change to a bottom view, add a sketch in the face indicated, draw and dimension the sketch profile as shown. Add two construction geometry lines and draw the circles as indicated. Select the three circles and make them equal. Dimension the circle's location. Draw a horizontal center line. And use the sketch mirror. Make an extruded cut with the option Link to Thickness. From the Sheet Metal tab, click on the Corners command and select Break Corners. Enter the parameters, select the faces indicated, and click OK. Click on the Flat Pattern command to show the flat pattern. Expand the Flat Pattern feature. Select the Flat Pattern 1 and edit the feature. Toggle the Merge Faces option and click OK. Edit the Flat Pattern 1 again. Change the Merge Faces option to see the difference. Click on the Flatten command to refold the part and save the part to finish.